Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an amazing bread and meat thing, which is very tasty, and all we have to do is tasting that. For the beginning, all we have to do is start with cutting down the onion into very small pieces, and you are going to cook this in the olive oil with the chicken breast. So add the chicken to this as well, and add to this also a little bit of salt, a little bit of red pepper, and let it be cooked. And while it is being cooked, let's cut the bread into several pieces, and let's work a little bit on the bread so that there is some place in the middle to be filled with other ingredients. And whenever done, let's have some cheese on the bottom of the bread, and let's add there the chicken with the onion, which is already cooked. And whenever done, let's put it in the olive oil back to be cooked with the bread as well. Turn it whenever ready. And here it is, ready to be tasted. We hope you will like this recipe, which is really amazing, and share it with your friends. Good appetite!